keep you safe. Try hard to concentrate. Hold out your hand. Can you feel the weight of it? The whole world at your fingertips. Don't be afraid. Our mistakes, they were bound to be made, but I promise you I'll keep you safe. You'll be an architect, so pull up your sleeves and build a new silhouette in the skylines up ahead. And don't be afraid. Our mistakes, they were bound to be made, but I promise you I'll keep you safe. I'll keep you safe. Your darkness will be rewritten to a work of fiction, you'll see. As you pull on every ribbon, you find every secret it keeps. The sound of the branches breaking under your feet, the smell of the falling and burning of leaves, the bitterness of winter or the sweetness of spring. You are an artist, but your heart is your masterpiece, and I'll keep it safe. Dismiss the invisible by giving it shape. Like a clockmaker fixes time by keeping the gears in line. Don't be afraid. God knows the mistakes will be made, but I promise you I'll keep you safe. As you build up your collection of pearls that you pull from the deep, a landscape more beautiful than anything that I've ever seen. The sound of the branches breaking under your feet, the smell of the falling and burning of leaves, the bitterness of winter or the sweetness of spring. You are an artist, but your heart is your masterpiece, and I'll keep it safe.